So the day I gotta convince myself I don't want it, even though I do.
Guys, today we're gonna be making slime. And I'm just gonna help her. I already got my colors, so yeah. Okay, so what we're going to need is glue. We're gonna need glue, any type of glue, baking soda, contact solution, and shaving cream for this slime. And so first we need glue. Can you pass me glue? Yeah. Oh, this is actually. And a spoon and a bowl. Okay. Tell me when to stop this. Let me, that's enough. That's all you want? And that's all you need for me. Next thing is shaving cream. Ba-da-bum. Thank you. Wow, that's liquid. Don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. And now we mix. Wow, did we put too much glue? That's shaving cream. Shaving cream. Should you put a little bit of glue? We messed up. Just fix the slime. Next thing is baking soda. No, it's borax. Oh, that's good. Can you see? We messed up again. Go keep mixing. Come on. Okay, yes, more. We need more borax. No, we don't. Yeah, we do. We're good. No. Baking soda. Oh wait, yeah, we do. Let's get it, boys. Stop it. Stop, it's too much. You put too much flour for our little cake. I mean, slime. Flour? This is so cool. God, I wish y'all had this. Yeah. Guys, next video we're going to make this one again. Now it's time for the contact solution. It doesn't have to look like this. It can be any kind. It's also called activated. And now you need to mix again. What should I do if my son is too lazy back when the slime's done? Okay, so these are other slimes. Like we made this one. These we got from other places. But this is the finished product. The cooking is so good. Okay, guys, so go follow me on TikTok and like all the videos. And if you want to know the account, it's brother and sister account. Bye. You don't have to follow.